As our school year kicks off, some of our new students are taking quite a leap, especially those who are just starting to learn English. Our school is stepping up to support these students and their families with transition workshops and English lessons tailored for parents. Our reporter Ryan, who's also new to our school community, has been chatting with some of our members to learn more about these efforts.
A sense of belonging in a community that is new to you is vital. Moving to a different city can create uncertainty. How can we help students and parents who are new to the community? We spoke to Ms. Kadeen Hakimi, who oversees the Winning Transitions program at ISL.
So our Transitions Care program was designed to take into consideration the well-being of everyone, parents, the staff, and the students. And we started this program taking into consideration what it's like for somebody joining a new community and wanting to ensure that each person feels that they belong. So we put in place different programs.
What kind of programs?
We have an orientation day at the start of the school year. We also have our school counselors meeting with the new students and having check-ins with them to see how they're settling in. For our staff, we also do welcome evenings for them where we take them out and connect with them, and we do lots of workshops for parents.
We also spoke with Mr. Zach about parents who regularly attend English classes with him. Let's find out how this experience has helped them adjust to life in London. What do you think parents love about English lessons?
Well, we have a huge amount of parents coming every week. The thing that they really love about lessons is that they firstly get to improve their English, they get to look at different accents as well, they get to learn about London, but finally they also get to make friends from their community, from also different communities.
What do you like about English lessons?
I like parents' English class because Mr. Zach is fantastic, and if we will be able to speak English, we can communicate with everybody.
Thank you. So it seems ISL has really made a difference to the community and also a sense of belonging for parents and students. I faced a similar situation when I arrived in London 2 years ago and knew very little about this beautiful city. Look at me now, working as a reporter. I'm Ryan reporting for Fox Media.
And now let's dive into your latest updates from ISL. Last week, the girls' varsity football team faced Southbank International School in a friendly match on our home turf, the Gunnersbury Park Sports Hub. Despite ending in a defeat, it served as a valuable stepping stone for the upcoming ISSA trip next month. Our team captain, Neema, alongside Southbank's captain, Anita, shared their thoughts on the importance of learning from losses.
Thanks, Cooper. I'm here at the football pitch here at the Sports Hub, and I just saw this incredible game with ISL v Southbank. So I'm here with Neema, our school captain, and the Southbank school captain. How do you think the game went?
I think the game was really good. We got to practice after a while. So I think this was a really good start, and now we can see what to improve on, what we need to work on, and what we need to fix up before the ISSs.
I think the game was really good. Our passing was good. Obviously, the team we went up against was really challenging, and they played really well. But we honestly played well, and all of our teammates worked together.
That's very good to know. Thank you for all these players, even from Southbank, from ISL.
A big thank you to Southbank for their visit and for chatting with our reporter Gabriel. Meanwhile, our volleyball teams and boys football teams traveled to Southbank for their own friendly matches, gearing up for the ISSAs. The away teams returned with wins under their belt, making 3 out of the 4 games won. A fantastic start to our teams. This week, a grade 8 class took a break from their usual activities to play a round of mini-golf in Wembley. This fun outing aimed to inspire them as they prepared to create their own personalized mini-golf holes based on their interests and cultures for a project on the connection between entertainment and culture. And another reminder that sign-ups are open for all the international trips. Log in to School's Buddy and guarantee your place. Well, just like your host, this one was short and sweet. Remember, next Friday is the PTA Trunk or Treat. Make sure to grab your costume and join us on the playground for some spooktacular fun. Until next time, have a great day.